Uh-oh. Stuck doing laundry but don't have enough room for all your washed clothes? Are you tired of the struggle to get your drawers closed? Want to know how to get them from looking like this to this? You've come to the right place. We're DSL and we're here to give you 5 simple strategies for folding clothes. Let's go! First, we'll start with strategy 1, compressing socks. Start pairing up your socks. Now, for ankle socks, you can fold one over the other, then roll them up from the bottom, and wrap them with one end to create a small package to save space in your drawers. For smaller socks, one can be tucked into the other to have a slimmer form for storage. For larger pieces of clothing, the KonMari method can be used. This strategy involves manipulating clothes into a rectangular shape to be neatly folded. Divide it into 3 parts. Fold the left and right sleeves into the middle, like so. Then roll it up from the bottom and tuck it all in to make a nice little package. A similar strategy can be applied to pants. Simply fold one leg over the other and start folding your pants into fractions. Can be thirds, fourths, or more like Daisy is doing. Thinner, smaller clothing can be folded into thirds and then rolled. Here, I make the rectangular shape like the KonMari strategy, but this time I roll the shirt from top to bottom. For this tank top, I folded it in half and rolled it so they could be stacked on top of each other. And I find this method is best for me, for my house clothes. With matching sets, you're going to have to lay the top down flat, with the lower part folded in the opposite direction from you. Then you fold your bottoms and place them into the center. Now gather the sleeves, fold them over, then roll the set from top to bottom. Stop where you folded that extra fabric. Now put that fabric over, and here's the fun part. Take both hands into the lower fold of your top and flip it inside out to create that little package. Be sure to straighten it out. And there you have it, DSL's 5 simple strategies for folding clothes. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and add a comment telling us which strategy you like the most.